Hey, thanks for tuning in. This is Maple EV Leaf. Today in this video, we're going to dive a little bit into the City of Toronto's exciting venture into building its own network of EV charging stations. This project is quite rapidly actually transforming the city's infrastructure. Because just about a year ago, Toronto, when they first announced this, they had a measly 8 level 2 chargers in one single lot. But fast forward today, and we've got level 2 and DC fast chargers now peppered across various locations in the city. We got to check out one of these new charging sites at the Jane subway station Green Pea parking lot in the west end of the city. There are 8 level 2 spots and also one DC quick charger here. What caught our eye right away is the clear on-street signage. I think it's about time we make finding charging stations as easy as spotting a gas station. And I think the City of Toronto have done a good job here. So let's talk about the tech then. The chargers here are all ChargePoint, which at least in our experience can be a little hit or miss, but here things are off to a decent start. The level 2 chargers are operational now. They're good to go. However, the level 3 quick charger still shows a black screen. It's not up and running yet. There seems to be some confusion on the opening date because the city's website, at least the Green Pea site, seems to claim that all of these chargers, including the DC fast charger, should already be up and running, but that's not the reality. Pricing then, it's $1 per hour during the day and half price, just 50 cents at night, using the level 2 chargers. Do you also pay for parking then? Well, it's a bit murky, I think, but it seems like you might have to fork out for both. These signs here seem to kind of make it seem like, well, if you're charging, then you're not parking, which would lead me to think that then you don't have to pay the parking fee. But we have heard reports from some EV drivers here who have said that they've actually got ticketed when they didn't pay for parking. Keep that in mind. Quick charging, once it opens here, will set you back $15 an hour, but at least it's an hourly rate as opposed to a kilowatt rate, which now seem to be actually causing higher charges than these hourly rates. So what about the speed then? The DC fast charger here, according to information on PlugShare, will clock in at 62.5 kilowatts. That's the peak power, while the level 2 chargers boast a 19.2 kilowatt speed. Toronto seems to be making good strides here. We got to chat with a Bolt owner who had no trouble getting a level 2 charge here today. If you're just topping up, you might want to use the DC charger, but maybe it's more likely that at urban sites like these, people will be coming in to use level 2 chargers and maybe leaving the car there for a little bit longer. If you rely solely on public chargers, live in a condo, or don't have charging at home, these urban hubs can offer more convenient and looks to be reasonably priced solution now. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates. We hope to see you again. Until next time, take care.